Now I'm going to go out on a limb here and assume that you've seen Star Wars. And if you haven't, you should check it out. It's a really good movie. But even if you haven't, you might know that little green guy named Yoda. So he kind of says things backwards, you know. He says like, patience you must have, or something like that. Or in this case, banana, give me, right? So Yoda is going to help you to remember the word order here. So Korean Yoda, what Korean Yoda will do is he always puts the action word at the end of the sentence. As long as the action word is at the end of the sentence, the other words in the sentence are actually pretty flexible, which is pretty cool. But there's something strange about Korean Yoda. He has this strong awareness of the situation, the force, if you will. So he doesn't use words like he, she, me, I, you very much at all. So in Korean, when you speak Korean, these words are often left out. But you'll understand as we get further into it. So just trust Korean Yoda, trust his wisdom, and let's get to learning some sentences.